So let's get started. I will show you now how to set up a new Gmail or new Google account, which then you can use for your business, and you can use all of the Google's apps that they have, and you can have a separate account just for your business so you don't get mixed emails and you don't get mixed documents and so on. And you can use it to sign up for different things you are using for your business, and it's a really useful tool to have to also communicate with clients and so on. So on your browser, go to Google and then go to this sign in here. And once you are here, just click on this create account. So we are not going to sign in, we are going to create a new account. And here it's going to tell you if you want an account for personal use, for your child, or for your business. So in this video, we are going to create an account for your business, which is then also going to be useful for putting your business on Google Maps and so on. So in here, it's going to ask you to put in your details, your first name, your last name, the username you want to have in front of your Gmail, and your password. So once you put in here, you can put your name, coaching, or anything else. You can put your name official, your name info, or just your name if it's not occupied. My name was occupied, so I selected to open a new account called Marta Korik Coaching. Will put in my password. Once you have this filled in, you can go to next. In here, it will ask you to put in your phone number and a recovery email address, your date of birth, and your gender. And once you fill in these details, you can click on next. Once you put in your details, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number, but you can do this later on. So you can also click not now, or if you want to verify it now, you can click send. I will do not now for now. And then it will ask you what kind of personalization settings do you want, and you can edit those at any time in your settings later on. So I will just do the quickest one. So that's the ones that they do. It will then explain here what exactly they are going to turn on and what does it mean. So you can read this through if you want. I will just confirm, and then also confirm their privacy and terms. Just click on I agree. And then it will ask you if you want to set up your Google account, so your Google business account. You can do that later on as well. So if you want to, I will record another video and I will go through how to do it. But for now, I'm going to just click not now. And that's it. Your Google account is now created. You can use Gmail, you can use Drive, you can use Calendar and whatever you want. So basically in your Gmail, it will also ask you a few things. You can select to continue with smart features or just turn them off, whichever you prefer. And also it can personalize your products and use the data to suggest things to you, to remind you of things and so on. Or you don't have to use that and you can select this. And that's it. Now you have to reload. And now your Gmail account is ready. So in your settings, you can change all of those things whenever you want. You can make your emails bigger, compactor, however you want it. Yeah, you can look at the settings here. Here you can compose, so send emails. You can look at your inbox. You can look at the sent emails. You can even schedule emails in Gmail. Import, see the drafts of your emails, see the spam, see the trash, and so on. And you can also create categories, and you can create labels, so you can move your mail into different labels once you have email here, and so on. You can also have your calendar, these are the notes, keep notes, or tasks and reminders and contacts here. And the other great feature of Gmail or Google is the Drive. So if you go to your Drive, you can add new folders. So here in the new, you can add a new folder and create new folders for yourself. You can upload files and upload folders, and you can also create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Google Forms, and use those for your business. I'm not going to go into that now, but I can create another tutorial on how to use all of the Drive's features. So you can also share with people, you can star your documents, and you can put them to trash and then see the trash, the documents stay in trash for 30 days. So that's it for the Google's new Google setup, and you can use your Gmail now for everything that you are doing in your business. And I'm gonna be using this email account in the next tutorials when I'm going to show you some other tools you can use for your business that are easy and are really a good asset.